गुड इवनिंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम रिवाइज करेंगे टर्म 2 का डेटाबेस सब्जेक्ट कोड 402। ऑलरेडी ये हमने लिख दिया है कोड पे। डेटाबेस कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्सेप्ट है जो कि आपके सीबीएसई में टर्म 2 में आने वाला है। ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन इसी से आएंगे। इसमें दो पार्ट समझिए, पहला थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट होता है, दूसरा क्वेरी बेस्ड पार्ट होता है। यानी थ्योरी आपको प्रिपेयर करनी है, साथ ही साथ क्वेरी के जो स्ट्रक्चर्स होते हैं, जो सिंटेक्सेस होते हैं, उनको भी आपको याद करना होता है। लेकिन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी गो थ्रू द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ डेटाबेस वेयर द थ्योरी कम्स। थ्योरी में क्या क्या जरूरी टॉपिक्स हैं उनके बारे में आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे। नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में हम थोड़ा सा डीप जाएंगे, लेकिन आज से रिविजन करेंगे, वो जो बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट हैं उनको समझेंगे। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन ये जनरेट होता है, व्हाट इज़ डेटाबेस। अगर आपने कभी फेसबुक, गूगल या किसी भी ऑनलाइन फॉर्म को फिलअप किया होगा तो उसमें आप क्या करते हो, नेम भरते हो, फर्स्ट नेम, लास्ट नेम, मदर्स नेम, डीओबी, एड्रेस। दीज आर ऑल अ पर्टिकुलर डेटाबेस, बट इट इज़ अ रॉ डेटा। रॉ डेटा यानी रॉ डेटा क्या होता है, दैट विल बी यूज्ड इन अ प्रॉपर इंफॉर्मेशन टू कन्वर्ट अ पर्टिकुलर इंफॉर्मेशन फॉर द यूजर्स। हम अभी डेटाबेस को जब रिवाइज कर रहे हैं तो इसका बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ये होता है कि द डेटा विच इज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इन अ लॉजिकल वे एंड इंफॉर्मेशन टू स्टोर फॉर द फ्यूचर यूजर्स एंड ऑल्सो द सम लॉजिकल application performed on a particular database. Database are two types basically. Number one is relational database, and second one is called flat file database. Relational, it means actual concept is coming the database in the form of row and column. It means a particular table is going to be created in a particular manner. When we call about the database, it is in the form of row and column. So the database are two different types. Number one relational, number second flat file database. Flat file means, it means the collection of tables are known as databases. Collection of tables are known as databases. It means there are several tables we are going to use in a particular database. When there should be a relation between a table to table, that is known as relational database. And if there is no relation between any table, that is called flat file database. But the concept in subject 402, the greater concept is coming from RDBMS. That is called RDBMS. It means रिलेशनल डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम। हम बात करेंगे किसकी, रिलेशनल डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम की। इट्स मीन्स देयर इज अ रिलेशन बिटवीन द टेबल्स। वी विल परफॉर्म ऑन इंटीग्रिटी ऑन पर्टिकुलर टेबल। इंटीग्रिटी just we coming a particular topic that is known as integrity. What are the integrities are using into particular RDBMS? Integrity means that our data is going to be accurate when we will store in a particular row and column. There should be chances of duplicacy of our data. So we are using here number one as called, we are going further on the integrity topic. Integrity topic, it means the accuracy of your data which you are going to be stored in a particular table. First integrity is known as entity integrity. Entity integrity. What is entity? First of all, we have to understand what is entity. When we perform a particular rules or condition to a particular column, that is known as entity integrity. It means like that you are going to be fixed a particular data types on a particular column. It means if you having a DOB option, it means your column is DOB or field is DOB, where you can use only the data types of date type. It means you can use only date types. It's a conditional formatting. It means that you cannot enter here the alphabets, integers, but only you can use date types. This is known as integrity. It means you are performing a particular row, bounded a particular column for a particular data types. Number second is called domain integrity. That is domain integrity. It means when you use a particular conditional formatting on a particular row, you can use column. When we using entity integrity, it's perform on a column. But when we use domain integrity, we perform on a particular attributes. It means you can use this integrity on a particular attributes. Number third is known as referential integrity. Referential integrity. It means when we are going to relate a particular table to the another table, that integrity should be used over there. That is known as referential integrity. And fourth one is called user defined integrity. You can understand this integrity. User defined means what we need into a particular column. If that I have a mobile number column field or field, I have take out the inputs from the user only 10 digits of number. Then we mount all the particular data types, like if we are using varchar, we can fix them 10 characters. When we fix them 10 characters, it means it will take only 10 characters or integer, not more than. It is called user defined integrity. Now we have to revise this entity integrity, domain integrity, referential integrity, user defined integrity. Database are basically depends upon the integrity of a particular data. It means there should be no duplicacy of a particular row. How can we apply these integrity? We can further move on a primary key, composite key, candidate key. These are called integrities we are going to use in a particular table. So the concept more described into relational database management. If we are going to relate a particular table to another table, this is known as relational database management system. It means we are going to relate a particular column to another column of a table. It is known as relational database management system. So be careful on integrity. It could be comes into your question paper, and be sure about that entity integrity, domain integrity, referential integrity, and user defined integrity. These are the 4 types of integrity we are going to use. And database are 2 types. Number 1, flat file database. Number second is relational database. Flat file database, there should be no relation between the tables of a particular database. That is known as flat file database. And in relational database, there should be a relation between the tables of a particular database is known as relational database management system. Today we are going to discuss first part. Next video will be updated on tomorrow. So wait and revise this particular concept of database management system. Thanks a lot, student.